hour now, won't it?
Won't be on long. Oh, about an hour.
They'll be out some of that.
Hey!
Some of that.
They're not fireworks. Pull away. They're crap.
I reckon they're doing there. So that runs out.
Keep going, keep going. No, I didn't know it. Get by the seat when I poured. Wow! We should pick them that night as well.
No?
Is that it? No, it's more.
Well, I can't remember it. No? Why?
It's that week.
I don't remember. I'm always thinking of it.
It's that week. Remember?
I went in last week.
I mean the other week after, man.
Week before?
Just before we finish. Just before we finish.
All I remember about the week before that is him swimming, making our
Yeah.
hour 30.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's all I can remember about that week.
You got a Muslim member?
That's all I can remember is him Kyle making hour 30.
Oh, got it, well. Just got me what's it up.
Big Cowan at his ankle.
You remember?
That's all I can remember of that week. Yeah.
Come on.
What
That's rubbish. Well, that's firework.
the hell?
They're into my heart, they're not. They're one.
Where's that?
I got it, well. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Yeah, sure.
So,
Like that.
I haven't the happy clap yet.
no, I don't know. You need to keep it a moose. I need to know how to do that, Nick.
Get the happy clap yet again.
Come on, happy claps on the night. I don't want more happy claps.
That look like that.
Shit, that. Come on, that bit of it. Is that it? There won't be. There'll be more going on.
Oh, finish.
Nah, I don't. It's still going on down there. Where are you going?